Dear friends, today we have the newspaper of 3rd July 2024, and the first news is about the stampede in Hathras. 116 people killed in a stampede at prayer meet in Uttar Pradesh. In the Hathras, where a spiritual gathering and a religious gathering is going on, and in which the permission is given to the restricted number, but the listener and the follower of that sant get in huge number, and due to factors like heat and suffocations, this stampede happen, and the result in the form of death of 116 people. When stampede is a factor which can be avoided by the efforts and the proactive approach of people and administration. Move on to the next news is PM says mandate is for continuity. Congress a parasite on allies. Restore to my speech in full. Rahul tell to Om Birla. PM silent on Manipur crisis say MP. SC judge to physically inspect reached to assess extent of tree falling. LG seek probe into the cost overruns in Lok Nayak Hospital project of New Delhi. OT services at Lok Nayak Hospital affected after administration sacks contractual paramedical worker. Justice is not for sale or won't quash FIR in rape case. High Court. Maliwal writes to CM, alleges ministers dismantling DCW. Aap call her BJP puppet. Former DCW chief sought action against Aap ministers. Even at BJP accused government of being insensitive toward women. Hathras stampede bodies keep on ice block in wait anxiously for autopsy. No tangible efforts to retrieve Kachathivu islets by three successive BJP regimes established. Kachathivu Islands are an issue between India and Sri Lanka, and in the year of 1974, we have dispute with this island with Sri Lanka. Now government is working to bring back this in the dominion of India. DVAC launches probe into coal scam involving Adani Group. 2 lakh aid Joe Forkin of lynching victim in Bengal. Naidu and Revanta to meet to mend fences. As of the bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh on two parts, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh on June 2nd, 2024 is the time when two states get separated, but their economic resources and their development of Andhra Pradesh capital is not completely take place, and in that case, now the Congress Party Chief Minister Revanta Reddy of Telangana and the TDP leader Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh K. Chandrababu Naidu are working closely in an amicable way to resolve the difference between both the states and to land the states in the path of development. UDF walkout over worrying state of public health in Kerala. Mass row in Syro Malabar Church. Rebel group conditionally agreed to conciliate terms of synod. If you want to hike ticket fares, make a video on drug menace. Revanta tell filmmakers. Great expectations, liberalism in dark time. This editorial is talk about there is some hope in the idea that the democratic force always remain alive, striking at the right moment at the root of any antagonist political aberration. Digital students in India an AI era. This is very important article, and in upcoming exam of UPSC AC or UPSC AIS or in defense lecturate, the question on AI can be asked: how it regulated, what are the norms, and how we can regulate it. The rapidly evolving technology just poses a challenge to existing legal frameworks and judicial precedents. They have been designed for a pre-AI world. Mixed signal: India need to strengthen momentum in key industrial sectors. Opponent: for the first time in 2 decades, the big four are not among favorites. This is very much important for India-France relations, and in this article or news, the ambassador of France talk about, the name is Thierry Motu, talk about India-France relations, how the company of France, that name is AFD Group, help in the Pune Metro and Chandigarh water future water supply system is a supporting partner for India, and we can add such point in India-France relation and any bilateral relations regarding India and France. On improving rural mobile connectivity, an important factor impeding the development or use of cellular network in the area in relatively lower income of the people here. A big chunk of the rural population find mobile service unaffordable. The share of citizens saving password is an unsafe manner. 17%, nearly sixth of Indians have been found storing important financial password of ATM, debit card, bank account and app resources in unsafe manner. Finding a recent survey by local circle revealed. Iran: limited democracy, unlimited theocracy. As Jaishankar to represent India in place of Modi at SCO summit in Kazakhstan. SCO is an important summit which take place right now in Kazakhstan, and our Honorable Foreign Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar representing India, and in this summit is crucial for Russia and China too, because after the Ukraine-Russia war is every international event matter for Russia, and in this event Russia put a message to the rest of the world that the Russia is in the state of managing economic sanctions as well as continue their defense operation in the Ukraine-Russia war, and give a befitting reply to the West or the US, and portray itself as a strong country. Bihar government move SC against SC order to question 65% quota. Tax of laws change, but criminal justice administrations await reform. Bajpai. Oppositions hit back after uproar over Rahul's remark in Lok Sabha. Women in Chopara flogging incident refused to meet Bengal governor. Fact check unit needed to protect people from fake news. Center in Bombay High Court. Many state government have FCUs such as Kerala and Uttarakhand. If the union government do not fact check, it will be a dereliction of duty. The petitioners have contended that the purpose of FCU is to bring total censorship on anything that the government does not want to know, discuss and debate or questions. 5 Naxal killed in Chhattisgarh, say police. Assam flood situation turned grim, death toll rise to 38. IF chief inaugurated weapon system school in Hyderabad. This is very much important for upcoming FCAT examination and AFSB. Women get cut-offs in genitals for refusing to marry her. 5 died, 30 fell ill at children's home. Investigation ordered. Court subservient only to the might of Constitution and no other authority. CGI. Advanced medium combat aircraft prototype expected to be ready by 2028 to 2029. AMC project gets sanctions from the Cabinet Committee on Security in March, and it is an invest at 25-ton twin engine stealth aircraft in which internal weapon bay and divertless supersonic intake, which has been developed in India for the first time. Hindenburg refute SEBI allegations on its Adani sort bed. Firm fret over Form 16 delay. Stock broking firm tumble on SEBI order. Ashok Leyland ready to offer full suite of clean energy vehicle. Cut input tariff on electronic production. New Dutch PM sworn in 7th month after far-right party won election. China built new presidential place in Pacific Vanuatu. The government of cash-strapped Vanuatu will soon settle into a suite of new buildings funded by China, a move likely to resume concern about Beijing reach in South Pacific nations. At an official handover ceremony, Vanuatu Prime Minister Charlotte Slavai announced the opening of new presidential place. Russia violated international law by imprisoning Wall Street Journal reporter UN. Former New York Mayor Giuliani disbarred for 2020 election lies. Beijing Manila hold talk after maritime standoff. Israel pound Gaza following evacuation order, which will affect 2.0 lakh residents. Just from my side, friends. See you soon. Jai Hind.